Welcome to Bexley Test 1 Exam Papers Plus. We are going question 8 onwards. Here we go. Every single question you can pause, have a go first, then you can listen to me explain it. We are at question 8. Here we go. 0.2 plus 7.08 plus a quarter. Look at all the numbers, guys. They are basically giving us a hidden clue. You must change that number into a decimal. They are basically telling you what to do. Now, a quarter. What decimal is that? If you are not sure, 1 over 4 is 25 over 100. Because to go from 4 to 100, we times by 25. Now, this is a fraction, which means what we do to the top is the same thing. Now, 25 over 100 is 0.25. This is a normal question, so all we do is add these terms. We're good. Let's stack them all on top of each other. 0.20 plus 7.08 plus 0.25. Job done. Here. Let's add them up. This one. 8 plus 5, 13. Now this one, 1 plus 2 plus 2 equals 5. 7.53. Have I just added up everything? Yes, good stuff. And 7.53 is there. Good. Next question. Question 9. Anastasia uses this graph to convert between kilometers and miles. Roughly how many miles is 36,000 meters? Let's just write that as our normal number, 36,000. So if we look on this graph, is that number there? It could be. They're being tricky deliberately. Fantastic. 36,000 meters, but look at the x-axis. That just means on the bottom. Here it is kilometers, and we know 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Let's write it. 1 km equals 1,000 meters. So we are saying 36,000 is 36 kilometers. Okay, so now all we have to do is look at that number on our graph. Job done, mate. Job done. So here, it's in between 30 and 40. If I zoom in, can you see there are 5 boxes? Dun, 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 dun. Now, each box is worth how much? Well, 5 boxes is worth 10. So 1 box is worth 2. Even if you thought it was 1, just go up. Imagine if it was 1, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. No, it doesn't work because we're heading to 40. So it must be a lot more. That's why I say to people, if we are counting, so 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. There we go. Go up here. That number. Now I'm going to go across there. And it's the same thing on this y-axis, 20 to 30. That is going up into 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. That is 24. Is that there? Oh gosh. That means I've just gone a bit off. Oh yeah, because I went to 38. That's quite funny. Don't worry, I just go back a step here, guys. Look, it's okay to make a mistake. I'm always so close to the answer anyway. I'm always one step away from the right answer. Just go back a step here. For this bit, go back 1 block, so it is 22. Good. Now, even if I look at this, we know it's not 20 because that's there. So it's just a little bit more than 20. So in the real exam, I would put 22 anyway and get it correct. Good stuff. So it is 22 miles. Now, in real life, you guys might know that 8 miles equals 5 kilometers. I'll switch it around. Sorry, I said that badly. 5 miles equals 8 kilometers. That is actually a real life conversion. Good. It doesn't apply here because we are using the graph. Next question. We are now 4 minutes in. The screen is too bright. It is 23:48 in the evening, Sunday the 28th of July 2024. So the screen is too bright. Time to wear shades. Question 10. X is 1/3 of y. X plus y equals 44. What is the value of y minus x? Okay, let's set this up. A little bit of algebra. This bit. X is equal to 1/3 of y. Okay, so what, William? So what? Now we're going to insert this bit in. They're telling us x is equal to this anyway, so let's just put it in here. So what am I saying? You see this purple box? X plus y equals 44. I'm not going to write it like that anymore. I'm going to bring this in because we know x is 1/3 y. That's just what the blue box is. They're the same thing. We know that from the previous line. So let's just write that in white. Y over 3 plus y is equal to 44. Okay, so what? Now they're asking us to work out something random here. To be honest with you, that doesn't matter. We're going to work out y and then put it in here, and then we might be done. Now this looks a bit complex. If it wasn't multiple choice, I would actually rearrange this in the proper secondary school method, but it is multiple choice, so let's do it that way. If I put 0 in here, doesn't work. Oh, hang on, they are asking us for y minus x. I see, so these values is going to equal this subtraction. Okay, I need to change my mind a little bit. Doesn't matter, I'm still so close to the right answer. So one way to do this is actually to guess. You might be thinking, why is William being lazy guessing? No, that's actually a good way to do it, rather than me showing you the secondary school method. I want a number that's in the 3 times table, so have a guess. You see that top number? Imagine that's 30. 30 divide 3, that's 10. Plus 30 is equal to 40. That's wrong, because we want it to be equal to 44. Let me go back a few steps. So here, I'm not going to guess 30, I'm going to guess a number in the 3 times table because I want it to work out. I want to divide by 3 and get a really nice number. Can you see I was so close to 44? So I'm going to guess 33. 33 over 3, that's 11. And y was 33, that was my number, I guess. If I add 33, that's 44. That's nice. So why is William saying this? Because he's worked out y is equal to 11. Okay, so what? Well, now we look at the top bit. Sorry, y is equal to 33. Yeah, let me just change that. Y is equal to 33. Put that in here. Okay, so what? Well, then x is equal to 33 over 3, so x is 11. Good. Good, and now they're just asking us, once we've worked out the 2 values, let's just subtract it. That's really their question. So y minus x is 33 minus 11, which is 22. Good. Let's have a look. It's just are we just 8 minutes in? Yeah, let's keep this video short. Why not? Let's make it really concise, just short videos. We keep going. So we're 8 minutes in, job done. My normal way to end these videos, screen will be dark. So here we go. In the top left corner will be the previous video. So I think that's questions 5, 6, 7. Right now we have just done 8, 9, 10. In the bottom left corner will be the next video once I've made it, just to keep the students watching the entire Bexley Maths Test too. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you next time.